I'm kind of undecided about putting something here on the floor, maybe something custom, like a plaque on a plexiglass, something that'll light up. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. First, I'm gonna start with some cardboard to get the cutouts here, and then I'll trace the cardboard on the MDF and then cut the MDF out with the jigsaw. So now I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna trace it onto the MDF and just cut it out and start trimming. So I built a little L bracket here out of some flat bar for the center support. You can see I self-tapped it right there. So now the board has all the support that it needs. I thought it was gonna need something back here along the back, but it doesn't. It's very secure. All right, let me set this board in so I can see. It just falls in place now. There we go. So everything's nice and secure now. There's more sagging here in the middle. So it has 1, 2, 3, 5 tabs along the sides, and then it has the whole back support all the way through the back. So it's nice and secure now. I'm digging it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this in the navy vinyl, and then I'm also gonna go ahead and wrap these stock panels. So here are the stock panels. This is the side passenger panel. This one goes along the tail right here in the back. And then here's the driver's side. And I just had to cut the bottom section for this one battery, but it covers all that nice and neat. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap those, wrap the tail one, the tail panel, and then this one. And then all I have left to do after that is on the pressure side right here, over there, and then the one in the back. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna wrap is this false floor right here. I got my vinyl laid out, and I'm gonna be using this 3M glue because I had it on the shelf. But I've used this before, and this stuff is really strong. Way overkill for this. But, that's fine with me. So I'm gonna be switching up to this headliner glue. It's a 3M. I wasn't too crazy about the other one that I used for the panel. Ended up kind of bubbling up. I'm assuming it was probably because of the spray pattern on it, but I'm not sure. I was able to fix it. The panel came out nice, but this one has a bigger fan pattern, so I'm gonna use this one. All right, so here's the floor panel. Came out really good. Everything's nice and sturdy. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the original side panels and the tail panel. Okay, so I got these panels wrapped already with the vinyl. I went ahead and dyed them. I couldn't find the exact color vinyl for the car. The vinyl is really dark. So I got some SEM paint mixed to match the VIN code on the car. This is flexible paint. It's really good stuff. So went ahead and dyed these already. I'm gonna go and install them, and then I'm gonna start working on the other pieces. got the panels in. There's the tail panel right there. I got the side panels. I'm gonna get my arts and crafts on and start making the cardboard cutouts for those two sides and then the back piece right here. My cardboard ready, marker, my Sharpie. So let me get to it. All right, I got one piece cut out over here on the passenger side. It's a pretty intricate piece here. Took me a little bit longer than expected. See if I can get a better shot from this side. So now I gotta duplicate the other side. That one's ready to get wrapped. I'm probably gonna wrap them at the same time. There's one piece. Here is my arts and crafts area. Interesting, huh? Yeah. All right, I got my second piece cut out. It's fitted. These pieces were a little bit tricky just because of the angles and the area I was trying to fill in the back, but it turned out nice. I'm gonna wrap those, put the pressures back on, and then I'm gonna start on the backboard right after that. All right, got them wrapped. I just need to cut the holes on the vinyl and go ahead and install them. So here it is, all wrapped up. See, I got these, did the holes in here in this section. I got the pressures coming through on the bulkhead, and this is the nut for the bulkhead, and then I just added the washer to hold this down. There it is, it's all finished up. Everything's clean and simple. I may or may not add something to that back panel. It looks kind of plain. I was thinking maybe some music, probably an amp maybe in the middle, just to keep everything symmetrical. There it is. I do have plenty of space under this board right here for spare tools. I mean, anything really. The whole tub is under there, so plenty of storage space for something I could put in there. So. Took me a little bit to finish this part of the trunk because I was kind of going back and forth about that back panel. I had added a shorter one, like kind of sitting on the shelf, but I didn't like it, so I had to do that one twice pretty much. But there it is. That's a wrap for this video, guys. Should have some more stuff to come here on the Lincoln. So y'all stay tuned, and thanks for watching.